Hey guys, I'm back. I was talking about making a steak earlier, and we've been cutting down timber all day, getting ready to rebuild our shelter. And so I figured I was gonna throw a steak on. I got a pot going on for some mashed potatoes. Just a nice little bush snack, I guess you could say. So yeah, I figured I'd do a little session of cooking with Sean Squatch. Apparently, in 4 years I've been on YouTube, never done that. So figured it'd be a good time to get that one started. So some of you guys know, some of you don't know. I'm a professional cook and run a kitchen and a bar, and so I go through a lot of bacon at that bar, and so I will render that bacon fat, and then I will put into these little 2-ounce ramekins, and it's stored in my pantry. And this stuff will store for up to a year as long as you keep it, at a proper temperature. So I take this stuff camping a lot, just because you go, so much more natural flavor. So I just kind of pre-seasoned some steaks when I was at home, did a little salt and pepper, and a little like mesquite seasoning, just to give it a little added love. And then we're just cooking right here, just on a maple wood fire, because where our camp is at, it is just, that's pretty much all it is. Got a couple cedars, got a couple pines, but it's mostly just this big leaf maple. We'll get that pan going, get it nice and hot. Shouldn't take too long. Watch it just kind of start to ripple a little bit, maybe a little smoke on it. And you'll probably hear some sawing in the back. Old Adventure Biscuits back there sawing away. Was that a Silky Cabana boy? Yeah. So he's back there with the Silky just chopping away. And then now the dog's asleep again. We kind of wore him ragged today. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to get up to temperature there. All right, so let's see. You guys can't really tell, but the grease is starting to bubble. It's kind of starting to pool in that back corner there. Bring this over here a little bit. There we go. That's good enough for me. Let's get this guy going. So basically, I'm just gonna give that about a minute and a half or so per side. I'm gonna pull off the heat and I'm just gonna let it rest and just let it hang out for a bit. Nick, you get winded over there, buddy?
No. Trying to not make too much noise.
Now, this might not be the most interesting video, but I mean, everybody loves a campfire, everybody loves a couple axes, and most people like steak. So I figured you can't go wrong with a short little, 5-minute video of us cooking up the proteins. There we go. There's a quick browning on that side, quick brown on the other side. I'm watching the sides of my steak, kind of see how the color's radiating up and down. And I'm gonna go for a rare, medium rare. I like it pretty, you know, just shy of mooing basically. Not quite blue rare. You just want to get that, you know, nice crispy exterior and nice juicy interior, and you're good to go. And me and old Nick, we like these Idaho and like instant mashed potatoes for like backpacking, camping, hiking, hunting, you know, a little bush camp. Super easy, super fast, tastes good. Probably not the healthiest thing for you, but you know, whatever. We're out here camping. I'll go ahead and pull that steak and just let it kind of hang out for a little bit. Let this kind of finish off right there. A little radiant heat. Give the potatoes just a little bit more of a mixing. And those are done. Well, I figured I couldn't leave you guys without seeing how that steak looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut into that guy real quick. Well, the heat was a little higher than I planned, but that's still gonna be a just nice tasty steak. So anyways, that's the end of cooking with Sean Squatch. So have a good one, guys. Catch you later. Bye.